Guys, not every club that made it to second position is in a title race. Who is Chelsea? Who is Chelsea? When men are talking, when men come out, Chelsea is also coming out. Who is Chelsea? When men came out to win and they are holding their prick in their hand, they want to win. Chelsea is also coming out. Chelsea na bangalanyo mamere is coming out when men are weak. Chelsea that wins like a woman. Chelsea that opens leg and win like a woman is coming out when men come out and carry their prick in their hand to win. Chelsea is also coming out to win. Who is Chelsea? If Chelsea gets a draw in this match, now they win. If Chelsea gets a draw in this match, now they win.